all of us take responsibility very seriously and promote it throughout the year. That should be the goal, because today when we look at India, today when we look at the world, very young people succumbing to diseases like cancer is just growing and growing, which is very painful. And none of us honestly have any clue. As governments, we try to do a lot. We try to make sure that the food that the people get is not adulterated. Telangana government has been very proactive in terms of putting on PD cases, PDACs, and booking a lot of cases and making sure control the adulterated food. But as you know, it just seeps into our systems, and the kind of pesticides, the amount of pesticides that we use, it seeps into the system. If we just tell our people to eat healthy, it is also a responsibility on all of us, governments, companies, and even device manufacturing companies, to try and use as eco-friendly ingredients as possible. So that is something Telangana government has been pioneering and trying to do that. Other than that, of course, healthcare, in terms of healthcare, we are very proud. We call Hyderabad the medical hub of this country. We are very proud that AIG is in Hyderabad, and we are very proud of Dr. Naishwar Reddy Garu, who has just received honors from the Government of India. And wherever we go, I only say that he is the son of the soil, and we are very proud, and he is the best doctor in the world, a very friendly doctor as well. సో డాక్టర్ని చూడగానే సగం రోగం తగ్గిపోతుంది అంటారు కదా, నాగేశ్వర రెడ్డి గారిని చూడగానే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 80% తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే బయట తప్పకుండా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా జరిగేది ఏంటో అన్ని భాషల్లో వివరించగలిగేటటువంటి వ్యక్తి కాబట్టి.